Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope all of you are good and well. So, before going to start our today's class, I have a thing to say to you. Students, as you can see in the upload sheet, there are many links. So, the links are for the WhatsApp groups. As many of you face problem during the Saturday's online test. Therefore, we are making groups so that in the day of examination, we will share the link of the question paper of the particular subject. And you all can easily give the test. So, for each section, there is a link. And before joining the group, you have to first know how to join. There is also a link for that region. So, first please see how to do and then join in the section that you are from. Suppose 4A student will join the 4A WhatsApp group. Okay. Then section B will join 4B WhatsApp group, etc. Like this, student will join in their own section groups, and in this case parents will help you. So now let's come to today's chapter. So today's chapter is chapter number 2, that is festive dishes. So all of you take out your books and see the chapter 2. This is festive dishes. I think you all know about festive dishes. Yes or no? Festive dishes means some special food item made in festivals. So let's see what is there in the book. All over the world, people enjoy and celebrate their cultures and traditions on some special days. On these days, special dishes are prepared that have become very important part of the festivals. It is said that in the whole world, people celebrate many festivals. We also celebrated many festivals. And on that special dishes are prepared that have become a very important part of the festival. Yes. Yes or no? Now let's see what is the in your book. The first question you see, when do the people of India prepare these special dishes? These special dishes, name the festival. Some pictures are given and this is famous or special dishes are given, the pictures, and so we are asked to find out the what festivals that pictures food item is prepared. In which festival this food item is prepared. So you have to find out the answer. So let's do it. First one you see, it is called gujia. And when it is prepared? It prepared in Holi. So gujia is prepared in Holi. Now you see the second pictures is given in your book. It is mitha chawal and it is prepared in Basant Panchami. Then third one you see, the pictures is given. It is Chakarai Pangal. It is Chakarai Pangal and it's celebrated in, it made in Pongal. And I think this til pitha you know, all of you know, and it is prepared in Bihum. Til pitha, the name is til pitha. And now you see this pictures is given here, Charoni Kapag. It is Charonika Pag and it is prepared in Janmashtami. Then you see the sixth one, it is chocolate brownies. It is chocolate brownie. CHOCOLATEBROWNIES. Here W is missing, so it is prepared in Christmas. Okay. Then you see the pictures of payasam is given here, and this payasam is the special dish of Onam. It is prepared in Onam. One more pictures is given. It is Sewain. SEWAINYAN, and we all of know that it is made in Eid, the special dish of Eid. Then you see in your book there is given to find out some dishes of your state. The regional dishes you have to find out, and our state name is Assam, no? So we have to find out the regional dishes of Assam. Khar, Kharoli, Pitha, Jalpan, all of you know Pitha. When it is prepared, it prepared on Bihu. And Jalpan also, many types of Jalpan is in Assam. Sira, Akhoi, Muri, you know all of you. So you can write, and Khar is the special dish of only Assam. Then Kharoli, you can write this type of things name. Then one thing is given as a funny fact, but it is not a funny matter in your books given, so I am also writing here as a funny fact. Pitha of Assam is a cake which is made up of rice. It is not a cake, it is our identity. No, Pitha is the special dish of Assam, so we cannot make fun for this matter. But in your pictures it is given like funny fact. So that's all for today's. I will like to end up my today's GK class here, and do not forget to join the WhatsApp group and join in your unknown sections group only. So we will meet with a new chapter. Till then, take care, and thank you for watching my video.